Hi, everybody. It's me. I just wanted to come really quick and make sure you understand exactly how to do the article on the huge freed pet pythons. First thing you're going to do is go through and, of course, read the article. And as you're reading, you'll notice that I've highlighted some key points in the article that are actually claims by the author plus supporting evidence. I did not highlight all of it for you. I just got you started, so you're going to have to kind of pick up where I left off. But you will notice that I did one example for you, and I just want to show you really quick. So I'm down here on paragraph 5, and I've highlighted the economic toll from damage by invasive species, that sentence that's on the screen. If I go over here to my other document, you'll see that I've actually pasted that into the table that is part of my assignment. And then I went back over to the article again. I found the supporting evidence. It gives me exactly what the U.S. spent each year, according to a study. And so that is the evidence that supports the fact that they're saying that the amount of money spent or the economic impact is enormous. That figure supports that statement. So I'm going to copy and paste that into the supporting evidence column. And then I'm going to go on. I'm going to finish this table. I'm going to find another statement made by the author. Oh, here's one. And look, Miss Stewart already highlighted it for me. So I'm going to copy and paste that. And then I'm going to find the supporting evidence. Then I'm going to go back to my table. Bada boom, bada bing. I'm going to paste that in here. Find the supporting evidence that's in green. But I want to point out, it gets a little bit harder because I didn't do all of them for you. You'll notice that, Ms. Stewart only highlighted just the actual claim. So you're going to have to find the supporting evidence on your own. Might be right there in that same paragraph. So that's what you're going to copy and paste into your table. I hope this has been very helpful. I hope this has been a helpful tip. When you get ready to turn this in, you're just going to share your link, copy, paste, and submit. Thank you, and y'all have a great weekend.